Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete Genshin Impact account on any device. So whether you're on your phone or on your computer, all you're going to have to do is email these two email accounts right here, as you can see on screen, genshin_cs@mihoyo.com, and again genshin_cm@mihoyo.com. So you see those two emails right there, you're going to have to go ahead and type them in. Then you're going to want to put the subject like delete account. Then all you're going to want to do is type out this message here: please delete my account and all the data with it. The reason why I want all the data is because it might potentially like store it and stuff, and you don't want that. So please delete my account and all the data with it. And then what you're going to want to do is give your username. So just type in whatever your username is. Then also your email. So just go ahead, type in your email, whatever that is, like that. And then once you've done that, all you're going to want to do is go ahead and send this email, whatever email account you're on, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, whatever it is. Send that email and they're going to get back to you within like a few days usually. Could be more, it could be less, depending on multiple different circumstances, but it will eventually get done, and hopefully they'll delete your account and send you the message when they have. So leave a like on the video if that did help you out. Subscribe for more videos like this. Click on screen to see my how-to videos on multiple different games. But that's it for now. I'll see you in the next video.